8 steps to make your move successful in the new year. We just finished a meeting with clients that know they're gonna move in the new year. They're not quite ready yet, but they wanted to make a plan and start the search process. So we thought it'd be a great time to share with all our followers the plan that we put together with them so we can discuss how to be successful and most importantly, how to reduce stress. So step 1, get clear on your family's why. What are the solutions that you're looking for with this move? What are the problems with your current home? And what can you fix with targeting the right next neighborhood and next house? Number 2, meet with your realtors before the holidays, which is why we had that meeting already, but was to discuss the plan and the timeline to reduce the scramble. Step 3, start pre-packing and decluttering. That sounds crazy as we get into December and we get into family break and school breaks, but even if you're not ready to start packing boxes yet, you can start identifying the areas that are going to be a challenge. You can talk about storage issues and make solutions for those things that often come up. Step 4 is get your house show ready bit by bit. So whether it's touch-ups, planning to bring in someone to repaint some rooms, whether it's little things that you know are not going to show great, you can start to make a plan and even start tackling some of those little tasks. Get pre-approved before or by January. This is a big step. This is going to help you understand the budget side of it all and understand what you can look for when you're targeting that next great home. Build a simple family timeline. So this is just going to be what on paper or on a calendar, when are you going to start actually decluttering? When are you going to start moving things to storage? When are you going to start selling things on Facebook Marketplace? When are you going to have photography done? When is the go live date? Those are all things that you can talk about in building your timeline. Step 7 is book an exploration tour. Let's go have a look at some of the types of homes that you're considering or the neighborhoods that you want to target. The perfect home might not be for sale right now, might not be active, but it will be at some point. So let's go and see on a no pressure, no commitment, no expectation tour. Let's go see 5 or 6 homes of the style that you want, whether it's a walkout backyard because you've got kids or a basement suite for income help. Let's go look at some homes that are like that are available so you can say, that's what we want, and you can narrow down your search, especially as we come into the new year. And then finally, decide early. Do you want to buy first or sell first? That's going to be a personal plan for you based on your financial situation, based on how you're going to fund the purchase. Most people are going to need to sell. The good news is in this market right now, there's a lot of people that are able to start their search, find their home, write an offer, use a subject to sale process to secure the home, and then list their home at a great price based on the market stats and the data that will allow them to complete the purchase. If you want to go over your own plan, have an exploration tour, or even simply meet to discuss a successful move in the new year, let us know.